Welcome to
Cooking with my dad.
today we will be cooking chicken on the grill. Got some fire there. Oh yeah, get that chicken on there. Guys, now it is cooking, sizzling. I don't know if you can hear it. That's sizzling. Let's do this.
Small burning. Now the way to know that it was ready to flip, it will not stick.
It's sticked.
No?
Oh.
See? Comes right up. That one sticks a little bit. That one, this one right here.
Sticks.
Now we're good.
.500 degrees, guys. We're not flipping that one.
We're not flipping it, I'm turning it.
Yeah, he's turning it, guys. He's turning it.
There's a reason for it.
If you guys know the reason, comment down below. Alright, guys, we're about to open it. About 600, 550 degrees. Checking.
This is good.